confidence which you gave to our team, that was very well, and people were like well motivated, and especially they came out of the shell today. In the last 2 days, that is what I observed here. So hopefully, you people should start, implement this in your future.
I'm working in AHAGURU past 2 years. So these products and all I know previously also, but how to implement the sales speech and all, so I have learned in this Bootcamp. And thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this learnings and all, so that I can implement more and more, and I have learned a lot from here. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Vidya. I want to thank actually the management to give this opportunity. And here I have learned everything. First of all, being a TL, I learned how to mold the team and where I am standing and where I have to bring the team. That is the one thing I have learned clearly here. And apart from this, I know to do the sale and everything. Somewhat I have learned where to implement the speeches and everything, and all I have learned here. For this, thank you for.
So hi, myself Purnima. So it was like totally a good experience for past 2 days, and I just really enjoyed the fun-filled activities whatever you have conducted. So the part which I learned is that how to give a proper sales pitch following your template. So that's it, ma'am. Thank you.
Myself Naveen. Actually, I have main problem is I'm not having correct script to speak, because that is the complaint I'm getting from manager or my TL or everything. But I got one script. I try to implement that so I can do the best sales, and have some extra ideas also. So I will implement that conformly, and I will do my best sales. Thank you for that.
Thanks for giving me opportunity to attend this meeting by the management, and it is very useful to that. I've been called every time we are in calls. Every time we are in calls where just making a sales call, but I find here how to manage your energy levels and other things where we can convert the time management with a proper sales. And the purpose of this meeting, definitely it kind of extra boost which we have got, and we'll make sure that I will carry forward for other upcoming days with the same kind of energy level.
Hi, this is Sharmila. The one thing which I learned over here is I never ever holded the mic and spoken before. I used to feel very shy. Even in my family functions, I never ever danced, sing, jump, and the games I never ever participated. So after attending this session, I just opened up.
But witnessing this whole training session, I think I can become a salesperson now, with the sales pitch template. And I was happy that I was able to interact with the sales team, but I think we have never interacted. So that was a good eye-opener for me, because I got to know what challenges you are facing when you meet the customers. I'm glad that I was able to contribute and help you guys. So accordingly, I think even I can help with the marketing pages and help you with few digital cards which would be mentioned, and few things to help you make sales better, in your process. So thanks for with me. So it was an eye opener for me.
So hi, this is Fatima. So what I really learned. This training session has a sales book, right? So what the topic is, it's actually app done. Okay, so after 2 years I'm attending the training session. It's really refreshing for me, because I love training session every time. So wherever I join, so first I enjoy the training session. It's the best boost for every agents and staff also. So actually, I want to say Pune is taken very well today and last 2 days.
This blessing here, I basically handle support team of AHAGURU, but being a part of this training was majorly by the CEO where I had to attend this training. And I felt the sales team has to go this because they know what they are doing. They were thinking that what they were doing is right, but not in the right formatting. So that's what I had felt when monitoring their calls or whatever they were doing. So through Asha, we were able to get to Poorani. We had a few calls previously, and we had discussions also what is actually going to happen these 2 days. So as Aarti mentioned that you guys got out of your shells, you guys have got a format which is the right one to actually pitch for sales. And you need to bring up your own script. You need to bring up your own script. You need to write it. So that's what Poorani kept on telling. It is not that Poorani has to give you or I have to give you. You will have to write your own script by which you will be able to achieve your targets or goals, whether it is personal or professional. So whatever she has given will definitely help you in your professional and your personal.
Hi, I'm Shibu. Actually, these 2 days I really enjoyed. Actually, I enjoyed.
Yeah, continue.
I learned a lot, ma'am. I learned who I am, why I am here, what I have to do next.
Wow.
What are the goals that for my future, not for the organization, for my future also. Yeah. For companies first, company and myself, what I have to do. Actually, you have trained me how to be a sales person. How you have to be. So, before and all, we just selling our product. That's it. But now we have learned a lot from you. Thanks for that. Actually, we will try to achieve our best, ma'am, from you.
Thank
Whatever
you.
we learned, that we will try to implement in our future sales.
You know me all right. I was not from the sales background. Frankly speaking, I'm just not a sales background. My background is something different. And as I've already discussed with Sharmila and Vishwa, we as a team, I just saw that sales is like we are giving the product to someone and keeping quiet. Okay, I was just not knowing regarding what to do and next step what will be done, and before how the parents will be, whatever the customer will be thinking of us and how to take them into a right path. Everything I've studied here itself. Okay, and then many things like I have also motivated myself to do this. And as we have already quoted a few minutes back that I started, not loving, I can say, I just started liking sales. Okay, I can do more, and then when I implement everything, as ma'am said, we have to use that templates, everything. When I start implementing on the sales, what I do, I can say that 100% I will start love on the sales. Okay, and regarding the 2 days boosting camp was there, it really motivated me to do more, and many things I have learned. That what the main thing what I liked is failure will take you for the success. This is the thing which I loved a lot. Which I liked a lot, and whatever the failure, I was a person that when failure used to come, I used to try it again, and then I used to keep quiet. Okay, I got a success, okay fine, keep quiet. With the success, what to do, and everything I have learned from here. And many things like to be happy and satisfy the customer, that is a main motto what we have to have. And however it is, we have to satisfy the customer, and also we have to guide them for a right path. It is not saying that we have to see the incentive. What we think is only incentive will be our mindset. Okay, we'll get the incentive if you do the target or if you achieve the sales or something. We just now I came to know that we have to guide the parents for the right path, because it is their future, it's their child's future, and everything I've learned from here. And more thing is, yeah, as I just love this camp. Thank you.